Learn, do, equals.
Gjøre.
English Norwegian Action Verb Mini Podcast. Welcome. Hey, do. Ready to turn plans into action with one ultra-useful verb? This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly language coach. For more resources, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Today we take the English, do, and lock it in with the Norwegian.
Gjøre.
You'll hear it, say it, and laugh a little while you learn. Your goal today. By the end, you can say every form with confidence. Let's map English to Norwegian fast. Do.
Gjøre.
Base form. I do.
Jeg gjør.
You do.
Du gjør.
He does.
Han gjør.
She does.
Hun gjør.
It makes, does.
Det gjør.
We do.
Vi gjør.
You, plural, do.
Dere gjør.
They do.
De gjør.
Forms you can trust. Say them with rhythm, your mouth remembers what your mind repeats. Infinitive.
Å gjøre.
Present tense chant.
Jeg gjør. Du gjør. Han gjør. Hun gjør. Det gjør. Vi gjør. Dere gjør. De gjør.
Quick meaning check. Do homework equals.
Gjøre lekser.
Not, make homework. Comedy dialogue. Listen in and shadow each line, you're part of the scene. A. What do we do now? B. Easy.
Vi gjør.
Cafe forced. A. He does the dishes? B. Ja.
Han gjør.
Oppvasken I dag. A. She does the playlist. B. Selvfølelig.
Hun gjør.
Alltid den beste lista. A. Your turn, you do it. B. Greit.
Du gjør.
Det neste, vent, jeg mente, jeg gjør det.
Jeg gjør.
Det na. A. The sunshine helps, it makes the day better. B. Son.
Det gjør.
Morganen Lee. A. Team, you, all, do the last task. B. Klart.
Dere gjør.
Reporten, og.
De gjør.
Building. Quick drills. Echo me fast. If I pause, you speak. Ready? I do it now.
Jeg gjør det nå.
You do your best.
Du gjør ditt beste.
He does it every day.
Han gjør det hver dag.
She does yoga in the morning.
Hun gjør.
Yoga om morgenen. It makes a big difference.
Det gjør en stor forskjell.
We do the homework.
Vi gjør leksene.
You, plural, do the dishes.
Dere gjør oppvasken.
They do everything together.
De gjør alt sammen.
Culture tip. Dugnad energy. In Norway, neighbors team up to get things done, and you'll hear our verb everywhere. At a neighborhood dugnad, people show up, smile, and say,
Vi gjør det sammen.
that spirit, doing your part, really matters.
Det gjør en stor forskjell.
Remember, do a task, equals.
Gjøre en oppgave.
Lightning quiz. Answer out loud, quick and confident. You've got this. Translate. To do.
Gjøre.
Translate. You do, singular.
Du gjør.
Translate. He does.
Han gjør.
Translate. She does.
Hun gjør.
Translate. It makes.
Det gjør.
Translate. We do.
Vi gjør.
Translate. You, plural, do.
Dere gjør.
Translate. They do.
De gjør.
Challenge and wrap up. Your turn. Speak for 20 seconds about what you do today. Keep the verb flowing. Model. In the morning, I do coffee, you do music, he does dishes, she does yoga, it makes the day better, we do homework, you, plural, do the shopping, they do the cooking. Now swap in Norwegian as much as you can.
Jeg gjør, du gjør, han gjør, hun gjør, det gjør, vi gjør, dere gjør, de gjør.
Thanks for listening. Keep practicing.
Gjøre.
All day, tiny reps make big wins. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. For more English Norwegian lessons, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Ha en fan dag, and keep doing.
Gjøre, gjøre, gjøre.